Namaste. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be exploring the southern edge of the Kathmandu Valley. You know, the Kathmandu Valley is surrounded by forest all the way around. So the southern edge is the Godawari National Forest. So today we're going to explore the Hindu Kunta temple and monastery nearby, and then the Shanti Ban, which is a Buddhist shrine. And then we're going to see the beautiful Godawari National Botanical Gardens. If you're staying in the Patan Sanepa area, where a lot of expats and long-term travelers can be found, you can enjoy a day hike into the Godawari National Forest that covers the southern edge of the Kathmandu Valley. On this channel, we teach the ABCs of Nepal. Always be chillin'. So if you enjoy our tips, don't forget to subscribe, and as we say in Nepal, video like garnu hola. Starting from Satobato, you can take a bus to the Taukil bus stop. This is the last place you can find food or drinks until you get quite a ways up, but you can buy bottled water, fruit and such in this area. You can ask for the Shanti Ban to make sure you're headed in the right direction. After about an hour hike, you'll come to the Shanti Ban, just a random Buddhist shrine with a huge idol and a pretty good lookout spot and a great place to take a break. Continue up until you get to the bus park for the Godawari National Botanical Gardens. You can either enjoy the park then, or just continue straight ahead to enjoy the Godawari Kunda Hindu temple and a lovely monastery just about next door. I suggest you check out the temple and monastery first if you plan to see the park, just because this is where you can catch the bus or take a taxi back at the end of the day if you like. Or you can explore the Godawari village to find a room for the night. This monastery is actually a hostel and houses many young monks. It's the tradition in Buddhist Nepal to give the second child to be raised as a monk. They are some of the happiest people I've ever met, monks. It's a truly lovely tradition because many families are very poor, and this provides a better life for the child while lightening the financial load on the family. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please do subscribe. And as we say in Nepal, video like garnu hola. Stick around to the end. We've mapped out the day for you so you can see just where the Godawari National Botanical Gardens is in the Kathmandu Valley and the route we took up to Shanti Ban and to the Botanical Gardens. There are several guest houses and resorts nearby. They seem a bit pricier than Tamil and some other areas, but some of them are quite nice. Next, you can take a short walk back to the entrance to the Godawari National Botanical Garden. The price for admission is around 500 rupees for Westerners and less for Asians, but it includes everything. However, there is a small charge to bring a camera and about 2,000 to 5,000 rupee charge if you want to bring a tripod or gimbal. There didn't seem to be a charge for a selfie stick though. What I enjoyed the most about the day's activities was seeing people enjoy the small pools of water, both in the park and here in the nearby temple. This is the things that we're going to be watching for. Lookout view to Annapurna, so maybe we can see some mountains. Doubt it, but maybe. They have an orchid house, waterfall. This place is so big and so clean, so gorgeous, really well maintained. I love this place, the Godawari National Botanical Gardens. I have to say how easygoing the Nepali are. They don't need anything but each other to have a great time. We had a lovely time. There is a lot to see in the park, and we didn't get to see everything. We had a delicious lunch at the Tulip Restaurant just at the entrance. It was really excellent. I highly recommend it if they have the same management after this pandemic is over. So what about Nepal? Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.